Sherrii Gamble, and I'm an artist from Seattle, and I came back to where I grew up here in Halifax, Virginia, and I wanted to make some art with my dad, and he showed me a YouTube video of him blacksmithing a knife a couple weeks ago, and I was like absolutely hooked on coming back here and being able to make art in a place where I used to live, and being able to work in metal and have this amazing fabrication studio like right a mile away or so from my dad's house. It's absolutely amazing, and I'm looking forward to coming back. We decided to do arrowheads for our pieces, and you know, arrowheads kind of have a special memory for me because my dad has like a huge case of these arrowheads from when he collected those as a boy growing up in North Carolina and beyond. So I just really thought arrowheads were really special to me, and it was amazing to be able to you know, have Jonathan's guidance in how to kind of work with metal again, and really kind of anchor back into the tradition of craftsmanship here in Southern Virginia. So I'm just really excited, and I can't wait to come back and make a whole case of metal arrowheads. So yeah, it's just really special to be here. So thanks, Jonathan.
Jonathan, I'd like to thank you. This is the second time you and I have worked together. You've helped me to make a knife. It was a lifelong ambition, and that turned out pretty well. And then Sherrii saw it, and she wanted us to make the arrowheads, or have a project, and we decided on arrowheads. And I think they turned out really well, and I just want to say thank you for all of your help and all your knowledge, and we certainly do appreciate it. Yeah. Look forward to doing a couple more projects with you.
That's right.
Okay.
Thank you so much. You want your blue one?
it one time. Now feel it, get it back in that groove. Hit it again. Get it back in that groove.
What do you think about, we'll see if I get a bowl about it.
Do now, take just a little tip off of that. That's it. How much?
Yeah, wow, when it starts to cool down, it just wants to grab that.
Yeah.
Well, oh, yours look, oh man, it looks like it's manufactured still. A little bit. Like yours is like, look, he hand beat that or hand ground that all the way to the end.
Okay.
For real though. On my second one, I'm gonna.
I really do like your overall shape. I really do.
Like that to me, that looks like a real arrowhead. That is like this more like cut off.